Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now let's tap on fingerprint unlock, and if you do have your regular screen lock, you will be able to simply add the fingerprint. If not, you have to add the screen lock right now, so pattern pin or password. So basically it will act just like a backup unlocking method. So let's tap on got it. Let me quickly set it and tap on confirm. Of course, remember the screen lock. Okay, and here we've got the fingerprint scanner, so all you have to do is to put your finger on the sensor, and now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, tap on done, and here we've got the fingerprint unlock. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. Here we've got the fingerprint recognition also, so basically the animation which will be displayed during unlocking your device. So I don't know, just mark the option you like the most and it will be applied. So now all we have to do is to lock the device, and here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.